surf team, baby. This is gonna be cold, bro. What's the temp, 30?
Hey, you wanna go in with me?
34 degrees, feels like 22.
All right, so basically, guys, we're gonna be surfing, okay? Not really surfing, kind of like a wakeboarding. We're gonna be pulled by the truck, okay? So we have the Tacoma here. We got our rope. We got our boards. You know, shout out to Mclaughlins. We saw him do this. You know, we're copying them basically, but it sounded fun. So we got these ditches here in Fargo. It's flooding season. All the snow is melting in North Dakota. Like, I mean, look, there's no longer 6 feet of snow everywhere. Well, we got some grass.
And it is April 21st today, and we just got
more snow today.
1 to 2 inches.
Yeah.
Would you say?
Show them the field.
1 to 2 inches of snow.
I don't know if they can see that. That's all water. That's all water in that field. Like, it's wet here. So basically our ditches are full. So we're gonna go on a gravel road, hook the rope up, get in the ditch, you know, hopefully shred a little gnar in the ditch, you know, maybe pop a little pop shop. I don't know.
This wind's kind of pretty loud. Let's move over behind the truck here.
Wow, it's really loud.
Yeah.
I haven't been out surfing yet. So this is our little way into it this summer. Because, you know, we'll have an early surfing video where the water temp's only like 40.
You're really close to the camera, just giving you a heads up. Let's go. I don't know how much you guys could hear at the gas station because of the wind, but little quick 30-second synopsis here. Me and Gabe are in Gabe's truck right now, and we got Eli, Cardi, and Gemma, who you haven't seen on the channel yet, in Eli's truck, and we are currently going to get some food, and then we're gonna hit the ditches and do some surfing in a good old North Dakota late April blizzard. It's gonna be awesome, it's gonna be fun, stick around. Can't wait to show you guys what we're gonna do, and by we, I mean Eli, maybe you, and Gemma even said she might surf, but it's pretty cold out. We checked the radar, and it's like 32, feels like 20 or something like that, and it's windy and snowy, and it's just not ideal surfing conditions, but you know, gotta do it for the video. So hope you guys are ready for a banger today. It's gonna be awesome. Stay tuned. Here we go. Let's go get this done. It's so strong. I don't know. All right, everybody, we made it to the spot. Eli is gonna give it a go here. Ditch surfing in a freaking snowstorm. That might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but you know, it's snowing, it's late April, it's North Dakota, doesn't get much better than this. He's gonna suit up, we're gonna get after it. Let's freaking go.
Really? Border out right now. He's gonna start with that two hickey down there. And you're gonna start half on the water, half on the water. Probably 12 miles an hour. That's enough.
Yes, sir.
He's gonna catch it.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I bet the first thing I do is fall.
Gemma, this is your first time on the channel. You want to say anything to the viewers at home?
No, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment.
Oh God. He thought of a good idea.
What's that?
Yeah, we're gonna go down there and come back this way in that ditch with a regular starting. It's gonna be easy.
Holy crap. No way. That's perfect.
That's where I want to start. A little bit farther.
you mentally prepared to do this?
It's gonna be cold, and I'm scared it's deeper than I think it is. But I fall in, keep the truck warm. Nuts are gonna shrivel up a bit. It's gonna be cold, but hey, people ask what they're going to do it. Amen, brother. They got their own waves down in California. I'll move there one day, but right now we gotta deal with what we got. Rain or shine, it's eagle time. Let's go. Wow, this is gonna be stupid. Oh my god. Here we go. Here goes nothing.
There's no way this is gonna work. There's no way.
It's so good to be taking it easy.
Get your tip out of the water.
All the pretty girls said pick me up early. All the pretty girls said I'm going to LA. All the pretty girls said I hate my hair. Talking to the mirror in their underwear. I got some good friends that live down the street. Got a good looking woman with her arms around.
No way. I'm scared for you. It's not gonna hurt. Yeah. You're a pro surfer. You got this.
Mixtapes got a little Hank, little Drake, a little something bumping, thumping on the wheel, right? The mix in our drinks a little stronger than you think. So get a grip, take a sip of that feel, right? Trucks jacked up, flat bills flip back. Yeah, you can find us where the party's at.
Bro! Are you good? Yeah. It's not that deep. Oh my. Dude, what? I did not think you were gonna get it. Bro, I'm a pro surfer, bro. Pro surfer from first one. Woo! Oh, that's it. Hey, good driving. Captain, bro, that was good. We're gonna get another run. I tried to trick you. It wasn't a smart idea. That was freaking epic. That's definitely probably top 3 moments on the chat mark, if not number 1. I know, I didn't think we were gonna get off that. That's what I'm saying.
This is how we roll. We hanging around, singing down everything on the radio. We light it up with our hands up. This is how we roll. This is how we do. We burning down the night, shooting bullets at the moon, baby. This is how we roll.
This goes out for all them cute girls out there in Minnesota. Try add me on Snap. That big boy hitting one, baby.
Sometimes you stand and sometimes you turn your back to me. There's a world outside every dark and door with which one might you be? For the brave are free, the love and soul, come ride with me to the distant shore. Your stars need to be kissed on, your skin needs to be kissed on.
My hands are so full.
It's not about T-shirt, your favorite rock band, checking your makeup with my Ray-Bans, breaking hearts.
My hair is warm. Oh, got it up. Coming up there.
Hey, you're done. You don't, no more.
Oh, wait 30 minutes.
No more.
Wait 30 minutes till I'm dry. I was gonna sit, bro. I think I could do it if I didn't have the GoPro. I think we're warmed up too fast.
Oh my gosh.
Alright guys, I'm out here risking it all. Please hit that like button. Come on now. I want to make money on this YouTube channel stuff, okay? I want to go to college, okay? Oh my gosh, I want an easy life. Just help me out. Don't keep doing the dumb stuff, bro. Oh, I'm getting feeling back in my hands right now, guys.
Support the boys.
I'm getting feeling back. I think that's a victory. That's a victory, baby. Let's go! I'm so I'm just getting like feeling and memory back, bro. Let's go. Most fun I've ever. Oh my God. What did we just do, guys?
I don't know. I really don't know what the fuck is happening.
My heart's just racing. My testosterone's boosting. Get Big Mac, get the gritty. Get the gritty! That's a 300-pound man hitting the gritty. Hell yeah. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. All right, guys. On a calmer note, guys. I'm sorry. I'm a little hype right now.
I would say if it wasn't 30 degrees out, you could do it, but
Whatever.
you're more of a liability.
Roll cobs. Roll cobs.
Roll cobs. Ears up.
Hey, roll herd, baby! Roll herd! Shout out to Brandon Palmer.
Shut up, Brendan. NFL star. Calling it right now. Brendan Palmer is going to be an NFL star in 6 or 7 years. 7 years.
Hell yeah.
Calling it right now.
Yep.
Cody Mock in the making.
Cody Mock in the making, baby.
Hell yeah.
Let's go, boys.
God. All right.
All right, you want to get home and get dry?
I'm dry. I got whole new clothes on.
This is maybe the most North Dakotan thing that we could be doing right now.
Yeah. Right. Big Mac says this is the most North Dakota thing we could be doing.
Probably, actually, like 100%.
You know what? We got to get our accents a bit thicker, eh, boys, eh? We're out here in North Dakota, surfing a ditch. Yeah, we say our O's like this, eh? North Dakota. We are from North Dakota.
We could
I
be.
actually can't believe you just did that.
I can't believe it worked so well.
That's what I'm saying.
Little explanation though, guys. The second time I fell, you all have seen it before. I can go to my butt on the surfboard, but usually, you know, you're going a little bit slower, and the rope, like this rope, is like Jackie, so it's like this. It was so hard to do, but I tried.
Recording. Okay, perfect. You are.
Yeah, I'm recording, John. I know how to work the camera, John. But thanks. John's gonna end the video for y'all. Love y'all.
17 in a small town. Weekends in CVS. Door locked in the bathroom. What's it gonna be waiting on that test?
Getting her clean.
Undercarriage.
Well, Gabe here's getting a car wash. Great way to end the day. You know, it was awesome. It was freaking epic. Huge shout out to Mclaughlins RV and Marine in the Fargo area. Got the inspiration from this video from them, so go check them out. I'll link them down below.
Shout out to Jackson Melquist, best surfer in the Fargo Moorhead area. Check him out. We'll put his Instagram on the screen.
There we go. Shout out to that guy. I don't really know what else to say. Thank you guys for watching today's video. It was pretty sick. When I say this was a top moment on the channel, I really mean it. Definitely the coolest thing I've ever filmed. I might be over exaggerating, but I don't think I am. It's loud in here. The car's getting washed. I have nothing else to say. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later.
See ya.
Oh!
One day,